Hello folks, welcome back to another daily vlog at the MX5 Restorer. Tuesday afternoon, as you know, the guys have been, or you've seen in the last video that Chris did, they've been clearing out our bunker, our old storage unit that we're getting rid of, thankfully. Be glad to see the back of that, to be honest with you. I don't actually know what Chris spoke about yesterday because I haven't looked at that video yet. We'll go straight to Chris first. Noisy. It's almost like I haven't told him.
Denied.
Yeah, if you can do that, that'd be great. Thanks, Ash.
How's it going?
Yeah, well, I literally just started the video. I have no idea what you spoke about yesterday in terms of what's going over in the bunker, so I thought I'd come to you first.
Continuation is bunker is pretty much clear now. And so I did actually talk yesterday that we sort of said that maybe that six speeds that we found in the bunker was an actual good working one, which meant I wouldn't have had to have driven to Crawley and paid for a 6-speed box, and that's how it's turned out. So that's there. Yeah, it's empty now.
Good.
Other than
My stuff in there.
well, the stuff's in the van.
Oh, was it?
Yeah, we've got that in there, but there's just a couple of other bits left in there. So doors, it's all gone well.
Cool.
Managed to fill the skip up.
After someone else tried to fill it up for us.
Yeah, after someone.
Insert picture
After someone.
somewhere.
Someone spoke to me yesterday about putting maybe some fiberglass stuff in, and I said, yep, that's fine, but wait till we're finished. He goes, yep, I won't put it in there until I've spoken to you. Went back there today. And it wasn't just a little bit, like it wasn't just like a bag of fiberglass, it was like fiberglass molds, sculptures and stuff, so yeah, you have to take that out.
People are great, aren't they?
Yeah. So we've filled that skip up, we've filled the metal skip up, bunker's clear, now we're just finding some space to put everything. Found a Le Mans steering rack, a few other bits for Le Mans. So hopefully we can get that started, hopefully.
Well, we're hoping to get cracking on that soon, aren't we?
Yeah.
Like we have been every year since we've owned it.
Yeah, no, but I think it actually is going to happen right now. And then Ollie is just getting ready to bring the RS out and put gearboxes under the stairs and just finish sorting this out because I just can't be bothered with it anymore. I'm tired, aching, can't be arsed. What else are we? Fatigued. Old. Injured.
Oh, that doesn't work, by the way.
I don't know.
No. Because I tried when I was building my shed at my old house, and it was icking freezing.
Yeah.
I took that home, and it just doesn't work.
So that is going in the bin.
In the bin.
You sure you had plugged it into gas?
No, it doesn't ignite. There's no igniter. No.
It's like this.
We don't need it anyway.
You should have got like a barbecue lighter torch, like one of those extended things, and poked it in a match. That would have got it.
That would have got it working, yeah. If I didn't have one.
You would have been warm. Okay. So yeah, tomorrow will probably be a bit more normal in terms of.
Did you talk about my bonnet?
Yeah, we could talk about your bonnet a little bit.
I made this years ago for JAE on my MX5, my turbo MX5. So that is, well, that was polished. Wants a new polish
I did
now.
talk about this yesterday. Yes.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Okay.
I said that when your brown turd was actually like nice.
Well, it wasn't a brown turd then. It was a blacky purpley turd.
Was it black? Was that on the black and purple one before it went brown?
Before it went brown, yeah.
So it was on its revision.
Getting a weird glare on the camera lens here.
It was revision 2, not revision 3.
That's better.
Wasn't it?
Yeah.
Revision 2. And yeah, we're in the shore barn and Mark, you...
Well, yeah,
Isn't this what was used to dent my...
yeah, it was,
my
yeah.
LT
It was.
in the front wheel?
Yeah.
When you were putting it on?
Yeah, it was. Yeah. Yeah, we felt we had to put that on there because everyone used to walk up to it and think it was wrapped chrome or aluminium polished wrap thing. But no, and it did when it had the JAE logo or the JAE text was on there for that weekend, and then I took it off, and that is surprising how that stayed as good as it is, considering it's just bare aluminium. a wash and a quick polish, and that'll come right up.
Yeah, we'll do.
I think that's going to go on the upside down on the ceiling of my garage at home.
Yeah.
Be
Yeah,
good.
Right.
All right. Well, I'll talk to the guys then.
Yeah. I'll see you later.
They're doing actual work on cars. Most unusually. Mr. Roy. No. You alright?
Yeah.
You got something in your eye again, have you?
Fucking, because I know this dropping my eye.
No.
But I'm alright. Alright?
Well, yeah, were you spoken to yesterday about this or not?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I was literally cutting it open. It's pretty much rebuilt. So,
Okay, so you're ready to almost ready to put the outer skin on.
yeah, pretty much. So, inner seals on, seal in place.
Oh, you have to do an inner in the end.
Yeah, rebuild the arch, inner arch.
Okay.
And then yeah, panels cut there.
Seal end plate?
Yeah, done seal.
I'll seal end plate as well.
Yeah,
That turned into a bigger job than we were expecting, eh?
yeah, it did. And a little bit on the back here as well.
Okay.
Yeah, but it'll be finished tomorrow.
Cool.
So and then strip it down for repaint.
El Painto.
Yeah, try not to get this crappy guy.
Alright. Ollie's just moving the RS out. We'll film him. Don't crash, Ollie. Needs a clean again. Always needs to clean that car. How you getting on? So, what did you, I guess you spoke to Chris yesterday.
No, I've got something in my eye.
Oh yeah, you got some, yeah. We've gone years without people getting stuff in their eyes, and now when we started to do videos, everyone's getting stuff in their eyes.
I did actually stop recording you yesterday because I was legitimately quite worried about it, and I wasn't recording you all the time you were over there, but I did bring it back on because I thought you might turn around and go, hey, I'm alright, but you're quite grumpy going, you're beep, 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 putting that on camera.
Right, okay, well let's talk about
It's a legitimate
What-
accident.
how far you've got. So, seal on, welderized, door still opens and closes, that's good. Gap's looking good, gap under the door's looking good. Seal end plate on, all the necessary done on the rear box section and seal floor to seal panel where required. Just the outer skin to go on.
Yep, just out and trimming it to shape now and get everything primed.
Have you had to do repair there, have you?
Yeah, there's a small repair.
Repair in there, repair up there. Alright, cool. Nice. Labours. And the Laguna Blue one that's being collected tomorrow. Just put an exhaust on it this morning. Grant put that on there before he went over to start working on the bunker. Let's have a look outside, see if there's anything to talk about out there. Not sure there is really. Oh, we've taken this red one in. That's a new purchase. So that's a really nice car. You might be able to see the price on the window, that's what it is at the moment. So 107,000 kilometres. We've owned this car, oh it's locked. We've actually owned this car 3 times. I originally bought it, or found it for my sister, she owned it for a while. Then we bought it off of her when she had a daughter. Wasn't that practical for her at that time. We then sold it to a chap who did a lot of the modifications to it. Sorry if it's a bit windy. And then we bought it off of him, and then we sold it to the current owners, or previous owners, who had it for 3 or 4 years, and we just bought it back off of them. So yeah, that one's available. What we've got going on out here, that one, I don't know what's going on with that at the moment. We're supposed to be buying that car, but the information's not coming forward I don't know actually. This one's finished. This is the one Roy did a lot of welding on. Rear seals, arches, bit of welding on the A pillar, a lot of welding on the front seals, behind the wings, and that's now done and being collected Saturday. That one we haven't started yet. That's quite a lot of welding. This one is the VR Limited that's now done, being collected Saturday. That's the one with the noise. That noise, we did speak about that actually in one of the videos. This is one we've done a lot of work on previously, and it's got a noise at the front that we originally thought was associated with the, well, we first thought it might be a water pump, and then that taking the belt off didn't make that noise go away, so we then thought maybe it's something to do with the front, the plastic covers for the cam belt, because if they're not quite right they can make a noise. It's not that, it's actually the air conditioning pump. So we've ordered a new one of them and waiting for that to arrive to fit that. And that's that really. Oh, this one, I just remember what that one is. That's breaker. But I think I've mentioned that already. Alright. Okay folks, so that's today. I've got a day off tomorrow, carrying on with my decking. Bloody never ends. Hopefully I'll get that done soon though. Alright folks, maybe Chris will do a video tomorrow. If not, I'll see you on Thursday. Take care. Bye bye.